I kinda still can't believe I'm saying this, but after so many years, it's time for a big change, and it's time to say goodbye. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and welcome to this little channel update, which actually is not that little, as I'm about to share some important news about the future of the channel. So let's just cut to the chase. After some consideration, I have decided to move out from this studio right here. My lease is coming to an end and I decided not to renew it. And after 3 years here in the studio and some of my most memorable moments in my work career that happened here, it's time to move on to something else. Now, my decision will probably leave you a little bit confused because I'm actually not moving anywhere. I'm not moving to a bigger or better studio. I'm not downsizing to a smaller studio. I'm just leaving the studio and I'm not going to have a studio anymore. But my decision has a rational idea behind it, or at least I think so. And I'm going to quickly explain why I've decided to do this. In the past couple of months or even a year, I've been feeling kind of stagnant. I've been feeling kind of too comfortable in my work career. This studio is great. This is something that I really wanted. It's close to my home. It's big enough. I have space for all of my gear and more. And I have the full comfort of working here every single day I want. And I have some peace and quiet, and I can really focus on my work and just edit away or plan my videos or whatever I need to do. I can do it here and I'm very, very comfortable. But I think this is the biggest part of the problem. I've become way too comfortable being here. And even though it's a great place to be, I love it here, it's just something that is itching on the inside when it comes to that comfortability that is just not sitting right with me. And that's something that I want to change. In 2025, I want to be even more authentic. Not that I haven't been authentic up until this point, but I want to become even more authentic. I want to push myself and I want to make better videos. So in order to do that, I definitely need to leave my comfort zone, which is this studio. Most of you guys who know me a little bit better would know that I don't really like filming too much outside. I'm not a vlog person and I'm not a person that is super comfortable filming around people and doing his thing, but I know I want to change that. And to do that, I definitely don't want to have a space that I can come back to and just shoot whenever I want, because it's easy. I don't want easy, I want good. And I think it's the step in the right direction when it comes to leaving my comfort zone behind and just shooting outside more and enjoying the scenery more, because I'm a drone channel. I use drones, I use action cameras, I use FPV drones. All the gear that I use is used outside of these four walls. I don't need these four walls to record my videos. You know what I mean? And I want to bring you with me on a little bit more authentic path to show you how it is to actually use the gear that I'm showcasing in my videos. And I've started to do that. Actually, in the past couple of months, I've been trying to experiment a little bit more. Some of my best videos recently have been the ones that are super authentic, very, very quick to shoot, but also super different in terms of what I'm usually showing you here on this channel. And those are the ones that I actually enjoyed the most. Not because they are easy to make, but because they are super authentic. I'm not going to even turn back. I'm not going to watch. Let them fight.
It's still in one piece overall, but not ideal.
They show you my real reactions, my real life when it comes to using the gear that I'm using on this channel. And you guys seem to really love those videos. So I love them too, and I want to make more of them. So in 2025, I have decided to just step outside of my comfort zone and just forget about it. Leave the comfort behind and just go and explore and take you with me. So what would actually change for you? Probably nothing, besides the fact that my videos will probably become a little bit more interesting to watch. Hopefully, that's the plan at least. My videos will become more authentic. They will involve a lot more vlogging and a lot more personal type of information and shots that are not really using the best lighting. They're not really always perfectly in focus, or they're not always perfectly horizontal and straight and cropped properly, but they will be real. And I think this is what actually brings people towards a certain type of content, and certainly brings me joy to create and to make those videos. That's the plan. And even though it's a little bit bittersweet to leave the studio that I'm so attached to, I'm usually not really attached to material things, but this is just the personal space that I actually really like. I think it's the right thing to do. With that being said, guys, thank you. Super big thank you for the continuous support over the years. I started this channel way back in 2017, and it's crazy to think how many years have passed since then, how many things have changed, but my love and my passion for flying is still here, and you guys are still here, and I want to thank you for that. It means the world to me that I'm able to do everything that I do here and call it my job. It is a pinch moment every single time I think about this. So yeah, don't want to make it too emotional, but on to bigger, better things, better content, and more fun on this channel in 2025. Thank you so much for watching. This is Mike from Drone Supremacy. Take care, never stop flying, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.